chat? Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to another New York live stream with the Time to Eat family. Good to see the family coming in this morning. What up, Scott? What up, KKKK? What up, David Tot? What up, Z Traders FX? It's good, everyone. What up, Red? Morning, Red. Classic Trader, good morning. What up, Bold? What it do, everyone? How we doing? Ghosted me. Hey, what up, Gotta Trade? Henry's got some good thought process these days, man. I'm telling you, growth. Future FX in the building. What up, bro? What's good, Disturbed? Disturbed is in the house. Gang, we may have an opportunity here. Bright and early. 3 minutes. Gold creating support. Good morning, Prickly. That guy TK. What up? What up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome in. If you guys haven't liked the stream, let's give the stream a like. Let's give the stream a like here. We'll get this party on the road, or the party started here. Yeah, we may have a support forming here on gold off the 1 hour time frame, so we're going to keep an eye on this and see what the deal is. But what up, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What up, Mr. Pips? What up, Adrian? What up, Leo? Leo's in the house today. What's up with 3 minutes? Hey, man, 3 minutes. May have this gold support, gang. May see something like this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, Chris. Wick the Kid. What up? What up, Christian? What up, Simon? What up, Classic? Oh, we said hello to Classic Trader, right? Simon, what up, Simon? How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? Long day yesterday, huh? We had man, we had 4 or 5 orders that we placed and deleted. Yeah. All right, we're gonna wait just a few minutes here, gang. I think we may be good to take positions here, so it's time. Yeah, 4 orders. Yep. We had ideas, and then we crossed those ideas out, right? And then had new ideas and crossed those new ones out, and just waited for our opportunities. Let me lower the music here. Alrighty. 4 orders. Yep. What up, the Groom Smith? Good morning, bro. Good to see you here, as always. Oh, nice. 10K challenge, huh? 10K challenge ready to go. All right, gang. So listen, we are very, very bullish here on gold, right? Let me just explain something real quick. Weekly's very bullish. Daily is extremely bullish here. We've broken the highs. We're ready to rumble here. So 4 hour is our only issue here. We closed bearish, but we broke the low, right? So that's our only little issue. But look at the 4 hour closed above this range here, right? And from technicals, that looks like a celery play to me. So we have the new 1 hour candle open. Let's wait for a bottom wick. We're probably gonna have previous candle stops, which are gonna be about 14 pips here. So yeah, we really want to see this candle make a bottom wick first, and then we will potentially have the buy stop set. Look at GCAD.
Look at GCAD.
GCAD. All right, chat. I'm gonna have buy stops here. Buy stops on a break of the highs here. This is our bottom wick. If we come down a little bit steeper, that's great. But if we end up breaking the highs here, price should continue moving up. So yeah, buy stops in the break of the previous candle highs at 1977.027. Yeah, stops are gonna be stops are looking like 1974, 825. Yeah, 1974, 825. Same target as yesterday. 1986, right? Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So we've made a bottom wick here, and let's see if we could break the highs now. If we start breaking highs, that should be good to go. Yeah, and the break-even point is going to be right around 1980 here. Yeah, right around 19. Actually, you know what? More like 1979, 360. All right, my bad, chat. All right, let's take a look. Please explain the trade. Let's do it. So let's take a look at gold. We got our orders set. We're good to go. Let's do a quick top-down analysis here, right? So let me just go back, make sure. Okay, cool. All right, so take a look at this, gang. We know we're at on the monthly, right? We did break the monthly highs here. We're starting to push back up. We may be looking at a monthly fake out here, right? If we look right in this zone, there is a potential fake out going on right now on gold, right? On the monthly time frame here. So we have a fake out. We never broke the lows. We did break the highs. Price is now pushing back up here. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame to get some further confirmation on this move up. So notice how the weekly time frame is now pushing up very, very heavy, right? It's about to fill this wick here as well. We had a closure pretty much slightly above this area here, and price created a bottom wick, and now we are moving up. So next destination for the weekly candle is going to be somewhere up here, which is going to be in this 2020 range right here, right? So that's the next destination. So weekly is on the move up. Monthly has broken the highs. Daily is on the move up as well here, right? We've kind of created a bottom wick, but not the greatest one, but it is a bottom wick, right? So we've come up, we've broken the highs, we've filled this wick. If this candle wants to continue pushing up today, that's what we're anticipating, right? We're anticipating 1986 here, just like we were yesterday. I'm looking for this area right here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour has closed above this range here to the left hand side. We have also closed above the most recent, or this strong support right here to the left hand side as well. And remember what we talked about being ahead in the trade. So right now the 4 hour, although it closed bearish, it's not about how it closed but where it closed, right? And it closed above this level here. So if we're closing above that level, we should continue up now. Now one thing is, we did break the lows, which is a bit odd, but you know, on the 1 hour time frame, everything looks clean, right? All we were waiting for here is a push up, a retracement, a push up. Now you've created a support on the 1 hour time frame. If we break these highs, there's a very high chance we're going to retest 1980 here. So that's the reason for the trade. Everything looks clean. We've been waiting for a 1 hour support, so we got it. Yeah, 30-minute looks clean as well. What's the entry? Let's go back. Break of the highs. Previous candle highs. Yeah, we got a buy stop. Buy stop right here. Right there, man. Break of the highs. Just remember, gang, if you guys did learn that lesson yesterday, just account for spreads just a little bit, right? Make sure you're accounting for spread and not getting tapped into the trade too early. Cool. And we got about, what, a 22 pip stop. So previous candle stops, 22 pip stop loss. Looks pretty good. What up, Joe? Good morning, bro. Morning, bruh. It's time. Khaled. Yeah, remember, gang, risk at your own pace here today. When you blow multiple accounts, you have to pay back money you lost. It should only be your money that you lost. Onion play. There it goes. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that. How many of you guys knew that this was an onion play? Good day, everybody in Zoom. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Yeah, gang. Simple onion play. Right off support. Buy taking off support if we break the highs. Yep, 1 hour onion play. Nightbot's in the house. Hey, do we have... Hold on. How many likes do we have here? Where we at? Oh my god. A 189? Gang, Gang. Come on. That's crazy. That's crazy. Likes are down. Hit that like button, gang. Let's go. Hit the like button. Let's get some likes in this chat here today. What do we got? Over 1,000 people? Come on, gang. Those are rookie numbers. Let's pump them up. Sam Capital's in the building. What up, Sam? Why don't we enter at the body of the previous candle since it have a smaller wick, a top wick? Oh, you can go ahead and do that. Yes, it shouldn't be an issue. I'm gonna wait for the break of the high here though. Just a bit extra confirmation. I think it's like 6 pips. So. Nick, tips to become a top analyzer. I would say really get creative in your own mind, right? Start to really dig out the details of each time frame. Start to look at it as a book, and each book has chapters. It's like a mystery book, you know, and you got to find the clues on each chapter. And as you find those clues on each chapter, it should bring you to a really nice, solid analysis on the lower time frame. Yeah. All right, here we come. Here we go. This one is sleeping. Yeah, once it breaks the high, it should start to pop. Yeah, we'll be about 22 pips in profit by the time we get to 1979 here, and then 10 pips on that wick fill. Do, 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 do. US 30, let's take a look. Yeah, US 30 looks good. Similar to gold, right? You gotta wait for that support to be formed, and then it should be good. Should be Gucci. All right, let's see if we can get activated here.
And it should be good.
Okay, let's see. Can we get activated, gang? I think we should be good on this. Yeah, about to get activated here, so perfect. All right, looks like I've been activated. We've broken the highs here. So got into some buys off this 1 hour onion play. Entry is the break of the previous candle highs. TP is going to be up here. The target's going to be 1968. We're going to look to go break even right around 1979, 300 here. Now that we're breaking the highs, we should see a nice push. You do have a 10 pip wick fill, but by the time we go break even, we should be about 22 pips in profit here. So that's the trade. That is the trade. Anything I am. All right, who do we got? What's up, Johnny boy?
Hey, what's good, brother Nick? How you going? What's up, everyone in the chat? What's good, everyone in Zoom? Another day of doing our thing, eh?
How we doing?
Following our plan, doing our job, doing great. How about you?
Fantastic. Fantastic. What
Hey,
a day.
job done.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, just give it some time. We should move along here. Once we break this wick, that should send us off to the promised land.
Wait on it.
Yo, yo.
What up, Sammy boy?
What up,
Good
Nick
Sam?
Stu?
Good
What up,
Sam.
Johnny
Good,
Stu?
good Sam is here. How we feeling today?
Now gold can fly.
Now we have
Feeling
given
wonderful.
gold permission.
Oh yeah, sorry I was getting off the phone with JP. Had to let him know we're getting an early one.
JPZ.
I could hear him rolling over to his nightstand and grab the phone. He's like, "Are you serious, bro?" He's like, "After a long day of work I had." I was like,
It
"Listen,
was a
bro,
long day for him yesterday.
when the setup comes, gotta execute."
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And we leave it into the hands of probabilities.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, nice 1 hour onion play here, gang. Beautiful. Let's chart this up a bit. What is it? 7 a.m., right? Oh. 7:27. 7:27. 23. Wow. Moving along here. Cool. See what happens. Joey Stu in the building.
Hey, Stu.
Good morning, Unique. What are we doing? Yeah, we did. We told him bring in some volume. Bring it in. Do, 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 do. 15 bottom wick. Yeah, it's okay. We're taking this off the 1 hour time frame. This is a trade very heavily based off the 1 hour time frame here. Bring out the whole ocean. Tell him bring out the volume. Yeah. Starting to move a little bit.
Yeah, Pal's probably just coming around his PC right now. Dude's probably got like a 2-mile walk from one side of the house to the other.
Do, do, do. Morning, guys. Here. Clean. Oh, nice. Clean analysis, just like mine. Beautiful. Yeah, we could have taken the entry on the flip. That's no big deal, though. Break of the highs was a little bit better. But the flip ain't flip or the yeah. I don't think it made a current high, so pretty much you had to flip there. B, Nick, or too early? The earliest I would go B would probably be like right around this wick fill, because I'm expecting price to push up here. Yeah, it may even take another candle. We don't know. You know, it may take another 30-minute candle, but we're chilling. We got a pretty good entry at this point. If price does want to push up from here, we should be looking pretty nice, right? 4 hours starting to really rip up again. Daily starting to pump up again here as well. So 30-minute look good. Hey, yo, what up, Shad? Good morning, bro. Hey, gang, drop a like on the stream. Go ahead and drop a like. Good morning, first time here. Hey, welcome. It's Ven. Welcome to the stream, man. Good morning, Shiro. Get some dabs in the chat for Shiro.
Ab.
What an amazing stream we had yesterday, huh? One of my favorites, dude.
Yeah, both of them.
Both streams were incredible.
Loved it.
I think we had 4 orders that we placed and deleted throughout the whole day yesterday. But that's how it is, man. That's how trading is. Like, you're going to draw up an idea and it may or may not play out, right? And then you could just delete it and move on to the next idea. You know, that's the cool part about setting limit orders and all that good stuff.
Yeah, true. Keeps the emotions out of it. Just let it activate you.
Yeah. Beautiful. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Failed my funded account, but I'm still here. You're the best mentor out there. Yeah, man. Just regroup. You know, get it back together, gang. You guys know I failed like 20 funding accounts, right? At 500 a piece, too. They weren't little 5K challenges. I failed a lot of challenges. You know, I remember I got in before, like, I was taking these challenges before people even knew about my Forex phones. It was just FTMO. That was it. So that's why when you guys hit me and you say, you know, Nick, I lost my 3rd account, man. Oh my God. I just kind of, you know, giggle in my head because I know. Yeah, you may have to go through a little bit more than that, but hopefully not, right? Hopefully not. Why don't you watch the lower time frame when you enter? You know, because I don't want to base this trade off emotions, right? I have an idea of what the 1 hour time frame would like to do here, and I just want to stick to that. You know, I just want to see. Maybe I'll look at the 30-minute once we close here in 5 minutes, but that's probably about it. Other than that, I just want to trust this move on the 1 hour time frame here. Yeah, Don's got liquid gold for sure. What was the song that we started with? I think it was Closer, maybe? Closer? what was the turning point that helped you get funded? Man, a lot of it had to do with understanding that losses are necessary in trading. You know what? So I've never failed at funded. So gang, we're talking 20, 22, 23 funded accounts failed, and never once. Listen to this. Never once did I fail it due to the time frame ending. Every time I failed it, it was due to max daily loss hit. And there's a reason for that, is because I couldn't be comfortable with a loss, man. You know, and if I took a loss, I would try and get it back, and I would get all emotional, like people in the chat were yesterday. And I had to understand that, you know, not every day is going to be a trade day. Not every day is going to be a great winning day, right? Some days you're going to lose. Some days you're going to have losing days, and that's just a part of trading. If I'm going to be in this game long term and make millions upon millions upon millions of dollars doing this, then I have to get comfortable with the profession. So that means I have to be a professional in this craft. And professionals don't worry about the loss. They don't worry about the win. They just worry about executing on their edge. And once I realized that, hey, we have a winning edge, right? We have a good, I was learning from Raja and Don. So, you know, we had a winning strategy. I knew the strategy would win. It was just, can I be disciplined to it? And you know, having kids and stuff like that kind of helped motivate me a little bit. But that was really the turning point when I said, you know what, losing is a part of this game. Every single trade has a random outcome. You can never know for sure whether that one will be a winner or a loser. But one thing we do know is that we have an edge in the market, and that's our playbook. And that playbook gives us, you know, 80-85% win rate. So let me just trust in that and play the game every day to my best ability. And my focus isn't to be on outside forces. My focus is just to win championships and focus on my game. So that was it. That was it. Clip that. That was all. Can I enter now? You could enter anytime you'd like. That's all you. Just got started, took my first funded account but failed because of the time. Do you think I should go for another one? Yeah, go for another one. Just make it like in your budget, right? If you have to, if I can go back and do it again, I'd probably just do 5K accounts instead of 100K accounts, because in my learning process, I spent 500 on every challenge when I could have maybe spent 50. So yeah, that's what I would do. Go with the smaller ones, and if you can make 8%, 10% on a 50K account, then you can do that on a 100K account. Easy peasy. All right, let's take a look at this 30-minute candle. Is going to close here, looking good. Everything should be ready to fire up on all cylinders here. Come 7:30, 8 a.m. Started with 100K, now I'm going to go to 25K. Yeah, I wish I would have made that decision maybe a little earlier, but I never actually did anything under a 100K account. I am no longer bound. Yeah, funded will train you up too, man. It'll get you like trading like a professional. Before that, I was like blowing up 50% of my account sometimes, winning 50% of my account too. But that's just crazy, you know. Imagine actually stacking up like $1 million and risking 20% of that. Yeah, I would risk like 10%, 12% on a trade easily, and stack positions. How much do I risk per trade? It all depends. I use fixed 10 lots, so depends on the stop loss. Today we are risking 2.2%. Yeah, 2%. What prop firm gives 5K accounts? My Forex funds does. Yeah, I would use them. All right, beautiful. So we got a new 30-minute candle here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Got a bottom wick. Cool. Should be good to go. How do you change lot sizes to percentage base? You just gotta do that. It depends. I don't know if you have magic keys or not. There's other tools outside. It's very similar to magic keys too. So if you're using one of them, just figure out, you know, how to switch the setting. I spy Wandy. Where's he at? Oh, there's Tandy. What up, Tandy? Good morning, bro.
Andy.
Andy.
Good morning, Tandy. How we doing today, Tandy? Are you at the gym? Are you back from the gym? What you got going on? Everyone loves Tandy in the chat.
Yeah, he's firing up Odin.
Oh, Tito, most of the years were 100K. Tandy Wandy. That's his name. Don't wear it out. Thoughts on GJ? Let's take a look. Thoughts on pound yen here. Well, let's get rid of all this and let's talk about pound yen. Looks like we have officially broke the daily lows here. So looking good. We got a bit of consolidation here on the 4-hour time frame though, right? We got a 4-hour time frame. You're in a bit of choppiness. Looks like we did close above that resistance to the left hand side. Maybe a fake out. Yeah, you say you had a 1-hour fake out here. So price should be good to continue down at this point. You do have a new 30-minute candle. You're kind of in this range. I think we should just wait here for GJ to close below 181, and then we could look to take our sells coming down. Or you could take it off the 1 hour, but that's on you. I don't think I'm going to touch this range here. Yeah. Make money from 25K account, buy a 400K account on that money. Yeah, there you go. Yep. There you go. I'm new to this channel. Heard you're from Don. Yeah. Yep. Yep. How do you deal with fear? Man, you just gotta remember the outcome is completely random. I'm not trying to win this trade, right? I mean, in the back of, subconsciously, of course, I want to win. I want to make money here. But that's not I've already won this trade. And what I mean by that is I took a position based off of my playbook. I took a position based off of my system. The outcome of this trade does not matter. At this point, I've already won. Yeah, I've already won the trade because whether this trade wins or loses, that outcome is completely random. That's not in my control. The only thing I have in my control is to execute on my edge every single time it presents itself. So our edge presented itself here. We acted on it. W. Our job is done. We've won this trade. Now we just need a result of it. But no matter what the result is, win, lose, or break even, it's a W in my book because, once again, I've executed on my edge. And discipline goes both ways. So discipline to stay out, and then there's also discipline to get in, right? And you need to make sure you have both of those working for you. Not many people talk about it like that, but you have to have that discipline to, I have to get in here, right? Remember, the markets are my boss, and I do what the markets say because the markets pay me, just like you do what your boss says at work because they write the check, right? So the markets write the check for me. So therefore, when they call and they command me to do something, I do it. So no fear. There's no fear here because there's no emotion because I don't care if it wins or loses. Yeah. Like I genuinely don't care. Where most traders right now are literally biting their fingernails because they need to win or they want to win or they have some sort of expectation and trying to force the market to do something here, right? We're not really trying to force the market. We're just getting in on our edge. That's all. So there's no fear, no emotion, nothing.
Just doing our job as a professional trader. Execute on the edge.
Yes, sir. Good question, though. I think a lot of people need to hear that and understand that about trading. And the reason a lot of you guys were very, very angry and emotional and ticked off, I guess, yesterday was because you're just here to make money. And if you're just here for the money, you're done. You're already done. Because if you don't make money, you'll be mad and you'll be emotional. And those emotions will wreck you in the long run and you'll never last. Yeah, you. No, that's not your heartbeat. I played it. Hold on, was that my heartbeat? Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. How would your risk management change if you were doing a challenge versus funded account? It doesn't change. It doesn't. Yeah, it does not change. All right, now that we've broken that wick, we should continue on up here. What are we doing? Boom. Which session has more volume, London or New York? I think New York has more volume, especially for gold. So it also depends what pair you're trading. But for me, I think New York brings the most volume when it comes to gold. And that's just for obvious reasons, right? New York USD pair. Would you ever move stop loss to the last 30 minute or the current one? Yeah, you could do that if you'd like. Yeah, you can do that. I was thinking about doing it once we broke this wick, but I think I might just hold it where it's at. Guys, I love this community. Nick, the Zoom board of directors, the mods, the people who keep the chat running. Yeah. We got a great team, great group of people here. Seriously. We different. What pair do you have the highest win rate on? Gold. Goldie. Tim, we already answered that question about fear, and it's a playbook position that I've got to execute on here. When do you go on a trade, GJ? Anytime there's a presentable setup. Yeah, anytime we actually have a good setup, we'll trade it. Would you risk 2 to 3% if the daily drawdown limit is 4%? Yeah. Confidence and acceptance helps you get rid of fear. Yeah, that's true. Very true. You have to have patience like Nick to answer the same questions every day. Well, chat, you know what? You guys are really making me better because I love when I can practice patience. I'm a little weird, right? Sometimes I'll just practice random patience. Just practice these random things. And yeah, chat helps me practice patience. And when you practice patience in one area, it rubs off into the other. Respect to you for showing your live account. Most traders don't actually show their accounts. Yeah. Still in? Yep. Yeah, I like to keep it up here because we're working on like Instagram Reels now, and it just looks a little bit cleaner. But if you guys want to see trading view or MT5, we could leave it there too. Talk about practice. When people ask Raja questions, yeah, yo, that Raja be going off.
Hey, good morning, Nick. Good morning, Johnny boy.
Hey,
Morning, Jose.
hip hip,
How are you,
Jose.
how are you guys doing this fine morning?
Fantastic, dude. Fantastic.
Awesome.
Look at
Amazing,
you.
bro. Yourself?
Look at
Pretty good,
this,
pretty
man.
good.
Yes.
Look at
What's
this.
up,
man.
chat? Good morning, chat.
Now it's
Let's
really
get
the 80s, bro. You looking like you got the Adidas on in the stock exchange. Holy. Got
The 80s.
What up, bro? How you feeling?
Pretty good, pretty good. How about yourself?
Oh. Fantastic times two.
Woo!
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there?
Joey Stu is in the building. Jose. Jose be dripping. Jose be dripping. And that Russian,
The Russians. Man, I love the chat.
that's too funny. Johnny Gems. Shad is in the building.
Shad, what's good, bro?
Hey, Z Gamer's in the house too. Z Gamer's always here. Shad, Z Gamer.
Gamer.
They're always
Please.
here. Daniel's in the building. What up, Daniel? Hey, Daniel, did you get the link that I sent you for the charging port station thingy majiggy?
Majidi.
TJ's ass.
People hate GJ.
Adding pineapples on that pullback? What's pineapples? I feel like I heard that before. Johnny Boy. Good morning, Chandra.
Wonder.
Tandy Wandra. Where the volume at? It's coming. It's coming. Just wait on it.
Hate on him.
Another position? Nah, I'm not gonna add any more positions here. Highest profit made in a day, like 10K. It was 10K, but then it went down to like 9K, a little bit under 10K. I think Tandy should remember that one. Bring out the whole ocean. You think we're still in on comics? That'd be cool. We'll see. We'll see price direction here. Yeah, Thursday. We got unemployment claims here. Y'all know that. Good morning. I'm learning a lot from you guys, not just on the trading aspect, but the spiritual. Oh, yes, perfect.
Oh,
We're undercover spiritual teachers. I heard the market is slow during the summertime. It could be a little slow, a little bit. Hey, there you go, exclamation point risk. What if it goes into news? We'll just go break even. For as long as we're in profit or something, we're gonna close partials at 1979.
wait on it.
Just wait on it. Is it true that on Wednesday gold reacts the opposite of Monday and Tuesday? Wow, yeah, I'm not too sure. That's way out of my league, way out of my pay grade. Yeah, I just follow price action. Why do you wear a cap? I don't know. I don't know. Wish I was at home for this trade. Oh, one day I have to watch on my phone. Oh, yeah. That's okay. That's aight.
Minute about a flip.
What'd you say, bud?
So 15-minute about a flip.
15 bucks, little man. Put that in my hand. Oh, yay. First time you read one of my comments. Buzzing. That's a W right there. I had Lee. Hey, I'm going to look for you more often, Lee. Lee Wagstaff in the building. Shout out to Lee Wagstaff. Sand's back. That means the volume should come in now.
I had to make another call, bro.
You called him or
I
what?
don't think he,
Ask him
yeah,
what the
'cause
hold
that,
up
like
is.
the first one, I think he might have just like, you know,
Thought you were
someone
playing.
calls you and you're like, yeah. And then you get off the phone, fall back asleep. I think that's what happened.
Tell him to bring out the volume.
Yeah, I did. I was talking crazy. Called him by his middle name. Jerome.
Mitchell Powell. I'll be right back. Hey,
That what
if
it
this
is?
thing starts pushing up, breaking the high, just tell me. Give me 1 minute.
Hey, Chad, wait on it. Time to bring out the volume.
His middle name is Hayden.
Jermone?
Yeah,
What a name.
JP. JHP.
What the name? Hey, Gold, let's wish what we doing. What the heck? What does Gold want to do here?
Oh.
Hey, these 15 minutes, this 15 minutes gonna fill this wick and break this highs. That'll be.
Hey, gang, all you guys need to go out and buy a brand new charger from Apple. Holy!
Bro, I know, bro. I have one, and it's crazy,
Thank
bro.
me later.
Actually, how fast. Yeah.
Crazy, bro.
I'll never buy like a. I don't even know what you would call them, like a rinky dinky.
Oh, one of those
regular-
gas station
Any,
ones?
any
Oh
other
my god.
gas station, yeah, exactly, bro.
Never.
Straight
What do
up.
they what do they call it? The ONN, the OWN.
The
Not even
ohm.
sure.
Yeah, dude. Incredible charm. My battery was at 7% 40 minutes ago, and now it's at like 94%.
Literally.
Come on, gold.
Bring out the volume.
Wear the suits, boys? Hey, we ain't wearing them. That's a special occasion thing.
Yeah, that's just when
Yeah,
we
that's
want.
a luxury. I don't have to wear a suit every day. I get to wear whatever I want.
Yes, sir. Hey, I got sweatpants on right now. Chilling.
So,
And it's
Not
freezing
gonna lie
in my
though,
crib.
wearing those suits, like it actually
I ain't
felt
gonna
pretty
lie,
good.
yeah. This is funny.
Nah, you boys look fresh.
Feels good to be in
No
a suit.
suits. Yeah.
Good looks. Yeah, I like dressing up when I get the occasion.
Nice.
The occasion. The Cajun. The occasion. The Cajun. The occasion chicken.
Yo, Tandy, go walk Odin, please.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I thought he was firing them up. Yo, TK, I think we need you to fire up Odin. Get him fired up. Go out on a walk. I mean, if you both do it, phew.
Right?
Someone asked, where did that question go? So for the news today, I saw C4 had asked. So we'll have to see, right? Because it's like after the way that, like, you know, Powell had a very hawkish tone yesterday. But he also said it's based off of the data that we're going to be seeing. So if unemployment claims should probably just come out normal. Advanced GDP, we'll have to see. We could definitely see some volume in 830 with that. Because this is quarterly GDPs, right? So we're gonna see how we did last quarter with this. But there's 3 GDP releases that they do. There's an advance, a preliminary, and a final. And just because the advance is the first one, which is what we had today, tends to have the most impact just because it's earliest. But it's just a broad measure of like economic activity, and it's one of the like primary gauges of the economy's health.
The
It stands for
economy.
gross domestic product.
Holding through news? Probably not. Yeah, we got NY Open coming up here in 5, so that's what we're gonna be looking for. Take advantage of that push, get up to like 1979 300, and then probably gonna close partials up there and do the whole break-even thing.
We could
Yeah,
trail
news
stops.
isn't. We don't have news for a while. We got 35 minutes. Yeah, our entry's in a pretty good place. Our stop is in a really good place, and yeah.
Yes, sir. What time is the news? 8:30. Joe Stoop.
Joe Stoop. Unemployment claims coming up.
Yeah, I think the GDP news will be interesting to see as well. So like what GDP is, it's like the like adjusted value for inflation on like all goods and services. So and so this is the quarterly. So the last one was in April. So we'll see. We should get some volume at 8:30 for sure.
For
Unemployment,
sure.
Core durable goods orders. Yeah, there's orange folder, yellow folder, 2 red folders.
Yeah, if we close with no top wick, what I'll do is I'm gonna close partials and move stops to break even. But as long as we close with a wick and all that good stuff, then I'm gonna just continue to hold this position just like we're holding it now.
Bring out the volume.
Yeah, we just need one more little push here.
Boom, there's 15 highs. Go, go, go.
Oh, we're gonna push.
Push, push, push.
All right, chat. I'm gonna close partials here. 18 pips up. Yeah, I just closed partials. I'm gonna move stops to break even as well. Stops are going to break even, and that is so far so good here. We may close with no top wick as well, so that's another reason. But yeah, very nice here.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, we broke that wick. We broke the 15 highs. We're coming into the last 2 minutes of the candle here, so yeah, we may pull back just a little bit. And now we'll hold runners here for 8 a.m. So stops are at break even. Just close partials right there, and now we'll see if we can get it to run. Yeah, we should have volume coming in here as well. Yeah, I think I closed at about 14 pips there. W, cool. And that's the trade.
Dude.
All right, perfect. And that is the
Settle
trade.
on.
Very, very simple.
What to see? Thanks, man. Pass phase 1. Let's go.
Yeah, you see that? No top wick there. So probably going to close another partial right there. And yeah, boom. There it is. Candle closing with no top wick. We got about 20 pips out of this trade. About 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips there. So not bad. Not bad, not bad. Congratulations, everyone who took that trade. This candle closed with very, very, very small top wick. So that's where I would probably close the bulk. Beautiful job. Beautiful display of patience, execution, and really not celebrating a win. And you see how just normal. You know what I mean? Like, if that was a loss, I would have reacted the same exact way. Nothing, right? I told you guys, either long ago we won this trade, right? We won this trade when we were willing to execute on our edge and take advantage of what the market was giving and putting in front of our face. Beautiful. Job well done. So yeah, close the bulk of the rest of that. I only got a little cent lot open now, so let's move this thing in profit a little bit. So yeah, that's the trade, gang. On to the next.
Hey, that guy TK. It worked, man.
Oh, you guys are spamming the chat with W's? All right. Spam the chat with W's if you took that trade here today and you took some profit. And if you did take the trade and you are posting it on your IG, don't forget to tag me. Don't forget to tag me, man. Oh, yeah, there they go. Oh, hey, yo, there it goes.
Take the trade based off the 1 hour candle.
Yep, 1 hour time
But
frame.
you use the whole 1 hour to do it.
Yep.
Exactly.
Yeah, we sat in that trade for about 45 minutes there. Perfect.
You gotta be patient during the trade as well, chat. Right? Not just before the trade.
Awesome. Look where price went to, right? Right where we had our line. Right where we had our line there. Closed with no bottom wick, or no top wick too. First TP took 80, and second TP I just took 80 again. That's why I only have a little cent lot open now. Did you get your second payout this month? No, actually I was supposed to grab it. Oh no, so I could do every 2 weeks. So I actually have a payout here today, if I want to. So with my Forex funds, you could do it every month or every 2 weeks, whatever you want to do. So sometimes I'll wait the month. Odin was super thrilled when I woke him up. There you go. Was it? Were both Odins walking? I think so.
Yes. Yeah.
I think so. I think that's what moved it for us. Don't forget to like the stream
good
as well.
job.
Yeah, if you took that trade. I'm out of this trade now. Stopped in profit. Very nice, TK. Yeah, me too. Good stuff. Good job, everybody. Job well done. Job well done. Not too bad. Doo-doo. Yep, not too bad. Do. Stick to the plan. Yeah, that's it. See, guys, just stick to the plan. What's my IG? Exclamation point IG. Use MT5? Yes, I do. Would you guys maybe take another trade? Oh, absolutely. Yeah, we're just getting started here today, gang. I feel like we're gonna have like 3 to 4 trades here today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be a big
I've
day
been
for
feeling
us.
it for a while. Just so where we are in the year, you know.
Yeah. Yep. How do you get a payout if you're below 100K? You can't. You have to be above. Yeah, I'm just saying I'm eligible for a payout today. Are you a full-time trader? Like meaning what?
Dude, yesterday I felt like one.
Oh, like oh yeah, like do I do anything? Like no, I don't have a job or anything, if that's what you're asking.
Nick Stewart a job.
No, I'm saying like we sat here from like 7 a.m. to like 4 o'clock.
Yeah, that's true. That was our
yesterday.
That was a lot of
Yesterday
work.
I felt like one, bro. Yesterday I felt like full-time trader.
Yeah, bro. We had to put in the OT yesterday.
Yeah.
Our boss called for a 2 o'clock session.
He's a full-time streamer. There you go.
Nick, what are you, a full-time father and husband, right?
I'm a full-time do whatever the heck I want to do when I want to do it.
Who's your boss?
Freedom
The
is
man in the
incredible.
mirror.
Freedom is
Just look
really
in the mirror.
really great. Nick's anti-chat. Professional gambler. Yes, there you go. That sounds more of like a title.
Me and Shad are the same thing. Full-time troll.
Full-time troller.
That's what that's a meme, bro.
This is his job. It's like my job, and these are my colleagues. There you go. Yep. Yeah, this is the trading floor, gang. This is the online trading floor that you now work at.
That's what we do.
Sir, welcome.
GJ.
Whoa, the kid, chill.
It's subtle. You have to pay attention. TTE trading floor. Whoa. Thoughts?
I like it.
GU? Let's take a look. Where's GU? Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, possible 1 hour onion play there. Yep. Yeah, bullish on the day. 4 hours is a bit nasty though. Yeah, I would wait. I would wait. Yeah, it's not as clean, but if you're going to keep your stops below here and entry on the break of that high, you should come up and retest that resistance there. So yeah, should be good. Just looks a little bit worse on, like, gold was looking good on the lower time frames too. This one is breaking all the lows now, so. So the volume here pushed us back down. Very interesting. And that was really our target, right? Was yeah, the daily target's up here. So of course we want runners up there, but this area right here was like our target. So good stuff. If you were to start a challenge, a new challenge, how much percentage would you risk per trade? And if you are 2% up, would you risk more? Nope, I would probably risk 2% the entire challenge. Just doesn't matter how much I'm up, how much I'm down. I would just keep it 2% every trade and let the trades play out. Yeah, I use fixed lots too, so you can try that as well. But like a lot of you guys, I talked to a lot of you guys yesterday, about 5 of you guys who normally you guys risk percentage based, and that's cool and all. But I think some of you guys learned why I switched yesterday, right? Where when you have a very tight stop loss, and let's say we're risking, let's say I'm risking 10 lots, but you're risking 3%. So let's say we hit a 10 pip stop loss there. I'm only losing 1%, you're losing 3%. So you see how it doesn't really line up, especially when you have super tight stops and, you know, current candle stops. Like it throws the P&L off. And Sam made a good point, I think it was last week, about using fixed lots, right? Now, at the end of the day, or let's say at the end of the month, all you really need to do is make more pips than you lost when you're doing it that way. And we don't have an issue doing that. I mean, you give it 30 days, we're on top every single time. So for those of you that are debating and you're in that little dilemma like I was in at one point, do I use fixed lots? Do I go risk-based percentage? Think about some of the things that I just said. You know, I don't want to say do one or do the other because they're both fine, but they work in different situations a little bit better than others, right? Like if we had like a 50 pip stop, then I may go down to switch to percentage based, right? Because I can't risk 10 lots on 50 pips. So I would either lower my lot size or just then jump over to percentage and say, hey, I only want to risk, let's say, you know, 3% and fix it on that. But other than that, I just use 10 lots. I just use fixed lots, and those are the reasons why. Yeah. Yeah, Jose, I think you were. Did that happen with you too? With that trade like 2 days ago?
Yeah, but I actually switched it because remember that happened to me when I first started my challenge where I had tight stops.
Yeah.
and I lost 3%. It was like a 14 pip stop loss, and yesterday I switched it over to fixed lots, and you know, I think it was less than a percent loss, so it was really worth it.
There you go. Yep.
Facts.
Yeah, and
But
then
also,
go ahead.
Oh,
I was just gonna say, like, for me, like, it's just like me personally, like, psychologically, if, you know, I'm gonna trust like a 30 pip stop more than I'm gonna trust like 10 pip stop. I don't know.
Yeah.
Just because that tends to usually mean that the candle has more of a top or bottom wick, depending on which direction we're taking the trade in. And, you know, for me, that's huge.
Yeah.
Like, if candle throws like a massive bottom, or not massive enough that we can't take the trade because the stop's too big, but like a nice 30 pip stop, 25 pip stop, perfect. Like, that's like right on the money.
Yeah. Yep.
And then like I'm definitely, and then it's like definitely I'm willing to lose that 2.5 to 3%.
Yep. Yep.
Because that was such a nice setup. I don't know. That's just like me personally.
Nah, 100%. Yeah.
you're on a 100K account and you're only comfortable risking 3%, you know, I mean, anything less than that, anything less than 30 pips, I mean, you can just use fixed lots, and then anything over 30 pips, go to risk percentage. Make it work for yourself.
Yeah, you got to use your brain a little bit, you know. Little bit of brain.
Yeah. You gotta, you know, get to know yourself too. I feel like that's a big thing, you know, because what might work for me or Nick or John, you know, might not work for everyone else. Or you just might not feel comfortable doing it, right? And if you're not comfortable, then it's gonna make it really difficult to execute on it whenever it happens. So if yesterday or whenever, you know, say you took a 3% loss and you weren't comfortable with it, you know, maybe drop the risk to like 2% and just see. But the thing is, you have to stay consistent with your risk.
Yep.
So
yeah, otherwise you screw up the data.
Exactly.
You start messing up the numbers
in your P&L, you know, because now if say like you risk 2% on one trade and you made 17 pips, well, the other trade you risked 3%, but you only got like, I don't know, like 8, versus if you would have just had the same risk, one trade you would have made more. And then so it's just like consistency through your P&L.
Yeah, you know, one thing I noticed too about me when I used percentage based is I would actually try and get a tighter stop loss to open up bigger lots, because I still had greed at that point, and I wanted to make more money quicker. So I wanted to open up big lot sizes. So what I would do is I wouldn't base my stop loss on logic. I would base it off of emotion, off of greed, off of I want bigger, I want, right? And these are things that you have to deny, not only in trading but in life, right? But you have to deny these things in trading, and you gotta remove greed. And that was a greedy trait that I had in the beginning. Was, man, I know that the let's say the lows down here is my best stop loss, but I want it up here just for the hell of it, right? Just to make more, to open up a bigger lot size. And to be honest, that really only hurt me, because I would get stopped out of positions and then all of a sudden price would just go in the direction. But because I wanted to open up a huge, massive stop lot size, I had a very tight stop loss, and it really hurt me a few times.
Yeah, no, that is so true. I've been there as well.
Yeah.
I think it was like when I first got my magic keys, honestly, if I remember, bro, because then it's like you click it and you open it up and you drag it and you're like, yo, look how much I could make if I only use this stop, and you start dragging that green line.
Yeah. Exactly. All of a sudden you see the lot size getting bigger and bigger. You're like, ooh, I can pass my funded account challenge right here, right now.
Yeah,
I'm in there. Yeah, I had a really poor mindset in the beginning of taking those funded challenges. I literally thought I should pass the challenge that day. Like, it was just stupid, man. It was stupid. And the more you rush, the more it holds you back. Fixed lots the way to go. Yeah. Yeah, everyone's a bit different though. You know, everyone's a bit different. Because what you can also do is, like, let's say you set the trade up, and let's say you're risking 3%, and this is the target, but your stops are really right here. You can just place the trade at whatever, excuse me, whatever lot size, and then just move it. I thought I was hacking the system when I was doing that, but it kind of still didn't work out the best. Because now you got these, or now you got like a decent lot, but now you can kind of, so you were risking 3% here, but then you kind of move it to like 2.5. But if you're gonna do that, you might as well just use fixed lots. That was my lesson there.
Right. Yeah. True.
How does the Time to Eat Signals channel work? We just send I just send my trades in that channel. By the way, gang, if you guys do want to jump on the promo, this is going to be the last week. I know I only mentioned it on Monday because I don't want to be one of these marketer dudes, but this is the last week that we're running the promo. So if you guys want signals, purchase any bundle, you get 2 months free. If you purchase the year bundle, you get lifetime access and Zoom access too. What is considered a fixed lot? 10 lot, 5 lot, 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot, like just a fixed number.
Yeah, using the same lot size every single time for every single trade.
Yeah. Yeah, the signals channel for like the London and the Asian has been pretty quiet, but as we move through this kind of slower period in the markets, you'll see it pick up. Don't worry. What up, Green? MG in the building.
Green
What's up,
Reed.
brother? Good to see you here today. Are we buying gold? Raja will be like, does it look like we are buying gold? No, sir. No, sir. Not yet. Not yet, my friend. We need to wait here. We need to wait. Yeah, we really wanted to see that 4-hour pump up and break up and come back and test these highs, but being that 1 hour candle closed with no top wick, there's a low chance that we're going to do that right now. Very low chance. Our stops, oh, we would have got stopped out on that. Yep, that would have hit stops right there. So a lot of people are very greedy traders too, remember. So whatever, they had their position, whatever, and you know, they couldn't close right here. I mean, that's only what, 25 pips. They can't do that, right? It's either 1968 or nothing, bro. And then boom, you know, price stop you out for what? You know, like you gotta look left, see what the market's telling you to do. There's nothing wrong with taking partials, taking profits. You could always enter another trade, and guess what? If you don't, there's always tomorrow. And if you don't enter tomorrow, there's always the next day.
The reason, honestly, you should always take partials is because there's money available to you from the charts. Like, they literally have money on the table for you to grab, and why not take some, right?
Yeah.
Out of your trade. It's only smart to.
Yeah. Fire management on that trade, baby. Yeah, that was good management. Closed right up here, and then closed the second half of the position right there. So pretty good. Pretty
Look left to
good.
get right.
Look left to get right, baby. Raja be blacking out on people. Good morning, Time to Eat. What do you guys think of the V3 version 3 of Magic Keys? I don't know. I don't have that one. I actually only have the V2. Yeah, I got the version 2 here. But,
I have the V3. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I thought you did.
It looks cool. I like that. The look of it.
Hey,
Is
you
it
like it?
aluminum finish?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
It's black, right?
it's black. Yeah, but does yours have the light up feature where like the keys light up?
Nah.
I think that's
a
what they
new
included
feature.
in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also cool too. So in case you're using it in the dark,
Yeah, that's true.
when you're creeping into London hours.
Yeah, right.
Yep. Yeah, nah, it looks really nice. Looks really nice. Hey, yo, shout out to that guy TK, man, putting in work. I see that you helped Future FX. Yeah, Future FX had a weird little issue going on in the Discord, so thank you for that, bro. You have been just an incredible help thus far, and we are so pleased to have you here, man. Seriously, what a great asset you've been here, bro.
Hey,
Shout out to that guy TK. Only
That guy
I know
TK.
his real name here. Ha 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 ha.
what the hell?
W. He helped me too. Yeah, look at that. So he's helping everyone in the. Yeah, dude. Seriously, I really appreciate that.
What a great
Tyler
guy.
King. How'd you know, Tandy? Not even close. GJ. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Yeah, we need a closure below, gang. Closure belowsure. News in 8 minutes. GJ Khaled is back at it. Need me some coffee? Go do your thing, Jose. Go do it. Do it up. Tyrese. Hey, look at that. Look at all the people that have been helped by that guy, TK. Big W. Is there any way to pay for the signals with crypto? Nah, I'm not accepting any crypto at the moment. GJ Khaled. Oh.
Send Bitcoin.
Did you get stopped out? Nope. We hit take profit. Yeah, we hit TP. We closed everything when this candle closed with no top wick. British Khaled. Sir, do you take Dogecoin? Maybe in 2020 I would have, but not anymore. That thing's not no more Dogecoin. That thing's Doge. Let me not say that. GJ I think. GJ I think. I'll send you 2 Bitcoin. Alright, I'll take it. Done coin. Yeah, I know somebody who had almost 20 grand from a $400 investment in 2020 on Doge. Man's got caught holding that bag. He got caught holding it.
There's an interview with a guy, I forget. I think he was up like $4 million, and he had taken out like loans, like maxed out his credit cards, and what's his name? He's a YouTuber, like big finance YouTuber, Graham at something. And he's him.
Oh shit, Uncle Scott.
And so he sat down with him and was like, bro, he's like, you should sell at least half of this because then you don't have to work. And he's like, nah, bro, this is going to the moon.
To the moon. I remember that was the slogan. To the moon.
And he got caught holding that, bro. That's crazy.
I had a little doji. I
did not.
I didn't get caught holding it.
What's up, Uncle?
What up,
Morning,
Unc?
everybody. I got like this summer cold, and I took some like medicine last night to help me sleep, and it just destroyed me this morning.
Oh.
Sheesh.
Couldn't get up.
Got that summer cold. Those were those were whack.
Yeah, I think it comes from like the air conditioner, like having the air conditioner on a lot. I don't know, I could be wrong, but
Or from that weird dust you guys got falling from the sky over there.
yeah, that too. Trying to like kill us over here.
Could be it.
Dudes are dropping salt and pepper on New York and New Jersey right now.
Who knows?
Yeah, man. I went to New York well, you guys remember when we went to New York? Dude, I was walking around Brooklyn like, what's going on here? Dudes were jogging. They were like, I'm like, oh man, yeah, I got to get back to Florida.
Yeah.
Chemtrails, yep. Chemtrails.
New York is a one-time visit. One-day visit.
Once I got back to New York, I walked out the airport. I heard a big FU and a couple horns. I'm like, yeah, we back, baby. We're back in New York.
Literally.
They say Florida's crazy.
Good show.
Scalpy was definitely chilling shirtless in front of the AC blasting. That
That's comedy, bro.
and he just probably got out the pool
Oh.
and he was still wet, so it affected him.
Thanks.
Scalpy might meet you and Joe should meet back up for some Burger Loft again.
We're probably gonna do that.
New Yorkers be angry. Oh yeah.
Yo, that guy TK facts.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you don't want to get into an argument with a New Yorker. You're just never gonna
Hell
win.
no.
Yeah, we sniped that 4-hour top wick, boys. Sniper exits.
Look at that though.
Yeah, that was a nice exit
Right,
there.
right off the top.
Someone's like, yo, your exit was my entry, though. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you sell off of
Like, cool.
candle opening up.
Awesome.
Just blew up bullish 20 pips. Oye. Yo no entiendo. Yo, and since there's news, yeah, this is looking like it's going blue.
Yeah, dude. 4-hour breaking the lows here. Looking clean. We could take sells here today, too, chat. Remember, we got clean sells really below any of these support levels here. But, you know, higher time frames are pushing up, so we don't want to be that guy, you know, that gets stopped out. We took the right position there, which was a buy. And yeah, now we just wait for the next A+ setup.
You're not that guy. If you think you can be profitable by not following your plan,
Oh, here
You're
comes
not
the
that guy.
news. Here comes the news. Oh, there we go.
there you go.
Imagine.
Bleeding. Bleeding.
Blade.
Imagine it starts running, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna run.
We're about
It's
to see
gonna
a
run.
monster. A monster. I want
Monster.
to see what the news came out of that.
Let's see what the spreads are looking like here.
Plus came out good.
Wow, 6 pip spreads here. Sheesh. You know I ain't touching nothing.
Not
I ain't touching a
surprised.
dang thing right now.
Bro, I'm not surprised.
Wait, bro, wait, what? What's spread?
Okay, we had a good GDP. Good for U.S. currency. Bearish for gold. Let's see if she starts bleeding. Some of you guys are probably quaking.
Quake. You guys like
You're
what?
like,
We're not getting in
"Oh,
on the shorts? What's going on here?
Sir, candle close below.
That's crazy.
Spread and jam, yeah.
That's why I said that. 'Cause it's like there's news, so we don't enter anyways. Otherwise, I wouldn't even have said what I thought it was gonna be. Because some people would in a chat, I guarantee you, heard me say that and were like,
Let's hold them to it.
Someone goes, yep. Thanks for enter. Yo, come on, bro.
How do you handle psychology after everyone's posting all those L's yesterday? Yeah, that none of that phases me. You know, not even Jesus
Chatter.
was a prophet in his hometown, right? None of that really phases me at all. You know, it just goes to show you that, you know, man naturally is evil, right? Man, woman, they're naturally evil. They go based off of emotions. And I mean, there was people that even come to our Bible studies to putting L's in the chat, right? I was a little shocked about the names, but it doesn't get to me because, you know, again, I'm here to just play my game, right? I'm here to win my own championship for my family. I'm here to take the positions that I know work best. And I know that man's heart is evil, you know, and that's why we need a savior, right? Because we can't save ourselves. And a lot of people just bang off of emotions. So, you know, I just let people get emotional. I mean, I kind of feel bad a little bit, but I understand what's going on, that they are emotionally hijacked at the end of the day, right? They're emotionally hijacked. The emotions are getting the best of them, and it really has nothing to do with me at all. So it's just a reflection of one's own mental psychology and mentality. So it doesn't bother me, and I don't hold it against anyone either, right? It's just, you know, we talked yesterday, and we just talked about making those adjustments, and you know that you know, at the end of the day, I want to see you guys win. Even the ones that were throwing L's in the chat, I want to see you guys win. And I know that those hard talks will help a lot of people make those adjustments, but some people will never get it. But the way I approached the situation and had that conversation with you guys yesterday and the day before, really, about just, you know, really getting this thing, because if you don't get the mental framework of it, you're not going to last. So that was pretty much it. You know, other than that, my goal is just to win championships, and that's what I focus on. Raja can gamble, Rich. Yeah, you have to be very, very mentally tough to stream, but extremely mentally tough. I mean, to trade, but then extremely mentally tough to stream. But I'm built for that, you know. So it really doesn't faze me one bit. Lewis, if you can, just message Green on Discord, and he's gonna take care of everything for you. Thanks, brother. Enjoy the promo. Yeah, message Green. If you guys are purchasing signals, please message Green, and he's gonna get everything taken care of for you a little bit quicker than I could probably get to you right now. Come on, not the war room. Yeah, naturally our hearts are hardened, you know.
Due to the fall of man, yeah.
They don't got emotional intelligence. Yeah, that's what I was trying to teach too, you know. AQN. Hey, AQN, you predicted the growth, man. This man, we were at like what, 400 or 500 people watching. How many people we got here today? Oh, 1,900.
Ooh.
This man called it. He called it when we had about 500 viewers. So we got like 2,000 now, bro. You called it, man. Dubs. Let's see here. What up, Augie? What's good, bro? Woggy. GJ is not closing below, gang. What are you guys seeing that I'm not seeing here? Please enlighten me. Please enlighten me. Don't see anything. I see a close above.
Nothing.
Nothing. $50 lots. Yeah, I popped a 40 lot on that 400K account. see here. Yeah, Disturbed. I was actually going to put that in the percentage gain column there. I think that'll work better. You pulling Raja and Don numbers? So happy for you. Hey, praise God, man. God is good, right? God told me what happened. I just went to work. Wherever we're at, right? I didn't even know we're at 2,000. So we got 2,000 people watching. Shout out to all 2,000 of you. W. Hopefully you all took that beautiful trade that we took here today. Hopefully you weren't late today. Navman, appreciate you, bro. Oh, wow. First saw your stream on the 25th of May. So many streams in front of me. I chose yours. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. The rest is history. Ooh. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I appreciate you guys' support, man. I love doing this. You know, I love coming to the charts every day and getting to hang out with you all and, you know, build this community. And really what the idea was just to create an environment for growth. You know, just to have traders come in here and everybody speaking the same language, everybody respectful, you know, professionals here, right? We're professionals and we hold ourselves accountable to a certain standard here. And it's just really cool, right? You have people who are really experienced traders. You have people who have no experience as traders, and then all a bunch of people, you know, in the middle. So it's just great to see everybody helping each other, and the messages just continue to come in about the improvements you've been making, and not only in your trading, but in your actual life and in your fitness and your relationships and your mentality, your mindset. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to pour into the people that want to truly win, not just make a buck in trading, but get rich and know how to be rich, know how to handle it, know how to manage it, know how to use it for the good. All right. And not just, you know, try and make a quick buck in here and then dip. All right. I want to pour into people who are going to go out and do great things with their life. You know, your vibes are authentic and people can sense it. Oh yeah. Thanks, man. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, though, give the stream a like for me, man. Can we get to 1,000 likes here? I think we could do this. I think we could do it in less than 2 minutes, too. If you haven't liked the stream, I'm asking you to please give the stream a like today. Yeah, all we ask is that you would like the stream and share any content that we put out. If you guys see me post anything on IG, I would appreciate it if you guys share it so we can get this stream out to more and more people. You know, I think, again, this is an environment for growth. And we want to see people grow. And the way we do that is by just continuing to share content, right? So anything I post, if you guys could repost it, that'd be fantastic. Oh, here we go. Tell me, am I invisible in this chat? I have been seeing your live streams for a whole week now and typed some messages, but no one was responding. Oh, yes, we see you. You are not invisible. What up, Michael? Good to have you here, man. Great to have you here, bro. Sorry if we haven't seen your messages up until this point, but chat be going crazy sometimes. How long do you stream? We stream every day, Monday through Friday. So we start at 6:45 a.m. Eastern, and typically we run to like 10:30 a.m. So like 4 hours. 4-hour stream. Just the beginning. You're right. You're right, Henry. See what Gold's doing here.
Gang, what up, Blue Wave? Big up. Yeah, big ups to you,
Gucci.
Blue Wave. I like that. Big Nick and gang.
Big Nick.
Big Nick.
Big Nick and the gang. I like that. First day on your stream, could you please tell the difference on the way you trade towards Don or Raja? Yeah, very, very similar. So I would say the big difference between me and Don these days is just the time frames. He trades more so I think on the lower time frames now, like 5 minute, and I typically stick to the 30 minute, 1 hour. And the biggest difference between me and Raja, I would say, is just the whole impulse entries. So I just pretty much removed impulse entries from my playbook, but that's about it. Other than that, we're pretty much the same. Now all we need is some wisdom from Johnny and the days made. I'm not here to copy your trades. I'm here to copy your mindset. Yup, that's the mentality you guys want to have coming into the streams every day. Not to make money, right? Although that's the goal, the real goal, the bigger goal is to get the mindset, to get the mentality, right? Because then you can make unlimited money. Maybe to you, I'm the invisible man. No, I see you there too. I see y'all. Okay, thanks, mate. Hey, Michael. Big Nick and the gang. What up, Blue Wave?
That BNE.
No problem, man. I'll give you a like. Ah, thank you, bro. Student trader. Appreciate that, man. Give us a subscription, too. Subscribe to the channel, gang, if you're not subscribed. I got $100,000 worth of challenge giveaways right here, sitting right on my lap. And I'm just waiting for you guys to get this channel to 13,000 subs. So we're right on it. We're creeping on it. Creeping. All right. The news has shaken up gold. The 4-hour candle has really pushed down nicely at this point now. So let's see what happens here. If we get a close below this support, we can continue down. If we get a pullback, then we can fill the wick here. When Nick goes to sleep, the sheep count him. Nick's bathroom breaks be fire when Johnny Boy gets on the mic. Yeah, anytime I go to the bathroom or grab some water, or Johnny Boy just comes on the mic just straight spitting. Spitting. It just oozes out of him. He's that guy.
That guy.
Do you use MetaTrader 4 or 5? I use MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5.
Yo, Unique and Chandra, shout out y'all. Two OG queens of Time to Eat.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Yeah, there's some day ones.
Oh yeah.
For real.
What church do you go to in Tampa? I usually go to Grace Family Church.
Church is every day.
Yeah, church is every morning though.
Church.
It's been 2 months watching your stream. The stream changed my mindset. Wait, that's the goal, man. X football only. Good stuff. Great work. You might get a nice pullback. You never know. Yeah, we might. Let's see. Let's take a look at the 4-hour here. Yeah, we don't want to close here, right? We want to either close more so up here, either closer to that support or below this one. So we have new range, right? We don't want to close in the bottom of the range. I've been here since March. Oh, yes, the kid. And, man, the difference it's made in my trading is evident. Oh, yeah, shout out to the kid. Another one, man. Been here for March is... we started in February. So you've been with us the whole time, man. Good stuff.
Hey.
That's a day one right there. What I like most about this stream is the energy and the vibe is different. Yeah. Different. Hi, FB. What's going on? Good to see you here today. Tell your husband we said hello. Now we hope you guys are having an amazing day. The best day of your life. I used to go to Grace Family. Oh, nice. I'm not as talkative in the chat, but I'm working on that. Yeah. The kid. Shout out to the kid, man. Appreciate you coming by every day since March. That's awesome. Is Trading in the Zone a good book worth reading? Yes, I did read that book. I have it here, but I'll be honest. Why don't you just go YouTube Mark Douglas? Y'all need to go YouTube Mark Douglas, so you can hear I'm not just crazy making things up.
That's where
Hey,
we get
Nick.
the gems from.
Hey, what up, Janice? Janice Ludwig. What's going on? I've been here since 2016. What do you mean by that? I feel like that's the second. Where were you following me on IG this whole time? Is that what it is?
You must have had a YouTube account, bro. Like,
Nah. Nope.
just a random
Didn't. I
subscriber.
didn't.
Huh?
Definitely not.
Some people make an account just to, like, go on YouTube and not post. So
Oh, nice.
weird.
About to start serving in the Carrollwood campus. Cool. Yeah, they have a lot of campuses here in Tampa. My God. Green. No. Green's definitely been here with me since 2016. Man, Green's been here with me since 2000. What's it been, Green? 2006 or 7, something like that. Maybe even 05. Now that's a homie right there. He says hi and bless you all. Hey, bless him too. Before I came here, I never would have gone and spent 900 on a 200K challenge. TTE changed my trading. Oh, wow. Yeah. And then, dude, the rewards from that challenge, from the professionalism you're going to display, is going to open up doors that you never even thought would open up in your life. You just watch. We got 11 minutes here for a closure on GJ. Is that an active trade? Which one? Okay. Yeah, I thought I had something up there. No. Yeah, we took a trade a little bit earlier. We took a win on gold buys here. Been here since May. Oh, cool. That's dope. Yeah, May. May is when we hit 1,000 subs, I believe, right? Was that May?
Yep.
Nick,
that was only like 2 months ago.
Feels like it was such a long time ago.
Right?
Let me answer this one. Nick, I understand most of the trades you take, but not the last one. Please explain it. Yeah, I'll explain it. So, higher time frames maybe they're not right now, but they were very oh, we broke the daily lows here, gang. Okay. Hold up. Weekly flipping bearish. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Anyway, the daily and the weekly were both very, very bullish, right? Based off of the closures from yesterday's candle. And we were pushing up. The 4-hour also closed. It closed bearish, but it closed above that support there. So if that was a 30-minute time frame, typically we would have, a celery play right there. So the 1 hour now was coming down to create a support, right? Once that candle closed on the 1 hour, we knew we had a support there. And then we looked over here and seen, hey, where can we target? Well, 1986 is going to be the full target, but where can we expect this 1 hour candle to go, right? And if we look up, well, we have this level, but we also have this level here. So that became our target, and that's where we closed positions right there. Would have held on to that position. Well, I would have held a little bit more of a runner had we closed with a top wick. But that 1 hour candle closed with no top wick. And what do we know about candles that close, bullish candles that close with no top wick? No range for the next candle to drive. So we just exited the full position right there. Right there. See? First exit right here, and then the second exit was right there. So candle closed with no top wick. Next candle opened up, I closed it. And then we had a little bit of a runner that got stopped out in profit. But yeah, not too bad. About like 15 pips total. Goldie golden. All right, we have 8 minutes here for a candle closure. So we got a 4-hour close coming. We got a 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, and 5 minute closures all coming up here. Yeah. If we're breaking lows, man, we may even tap. Yeah, someone said 1954. That's an insight at this point. Yep. So now we're creeping below that support there. Check GJ. We're still waiting on GJ, right? I don't know. I know I don't have to check it because right here, there's 7 minutes left on the candle here. See that? So I know I just looked at it 45 seconds ago. I know I'm not going to be making any decisions on that for another 7 minutes. So that needs to close below the range. All right. So right now it's pushing, but we need to close below. Just because it's coming down, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to close, because if we notice here at one point, that candle was all the way down here, and then it closed back above the range here. So we just got to wait. No point in, jumping up and down. Just got to hang tight, wait for the candle to close, and then we can make our move. He's in a trade, guys. Don't be fooled. I was fooling y'all. Yeah, and I wouldn't enter. If you guys are like entering impulsively now, I wouldn't really enter. I mean, there's only a couple minutes left here in the 1 hour candle, or 4 hour, 1 hour, all that good stuff. Holy. Yeah, I almost forgot that people still like scramble during all this. Like, I'm just casually talking about stuff, and I completely forgot that a lot of people are like entering and exiting and exiting and entering and getting FOMO and fear and greed. And I hope we display a good level of professionalism for you guys.
Hey man, if you're one of those persons who's getting FOMO over a candle moving like this, that clearly tells me that your main focus today is money. And if you're thinking about this long term, you can't be focused on the money, right? Like we always talk about. You got to be focused on the trades, right? You got to be focused on your plan and your strategy. And if you're with our strategy, you would know that you're not missing anything. You should have no FOMO when you got a playbook. You got a playbook that protects you from everything else, right? Any emotional thoughts that comes up, it's easier to have emotional intelligence with when you got a playbook, right? Because you got logic backed up. So, you can't miss a move that's not yours, right? And if your main focus is money here, chat, sorry to tell you that it's not gonna work out for you, because that's gonna lead to a lot of emotional decisions.
Yes, sir.
And you're gonna run in circles.
And you're also going to be forced when you go to your playbook, because you should be tracking your trades, and you're going to go, hold on, wait, there was no breakout or onion or fake out. Wait, I didn't enter on the flip, or I just ran. So if it's not our trade, there's nothing to take, right? Imagine going back into your to record your trade and be like, breakout, fake out, onion. Oh crap, yeah, neither. Break of the previous high, current high, celery, flip. Oh my god, no, neither one of those. Right? Gotta stay in line, right? Gotta stay in line with the system.
Tighten up.
Tighten up.
Oh, for real.
Yeah, see that? GJ pulling back here now.
Remember, chat. Remember what Mark Douglas said, right? Professional trader focuses on the process of trading, while the amateur trader focuses on the outcome. If you are worried about the money today, if you're worried about making money or losing money, you're focusing on the outcome. And I'm here to tell you, that's not going to work if you want to be a professional trader. If you want to be a professional trader, you got to be focusing on the strategy and on the process. Focus on yourself as a trader. How can you better yourself as a trader with your personality, right? Forget about the outcome. If the amateur trader is focusing on the outcome, why would you want to be an amateur trader, right?
Bingo.
So,
Spitting.
focus on the process, chat. Get locked in.
All right, let's see. Oh, look at that pullback there on pound yen. And that's why we don't enter until the candle closes. Well, please take into consideration fundamentals. The profit and win rate will be higher. Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it into consideration. Suits and ties, man. That wasn't enough. I ordered these guys to get. No, I'm just kidding. Men.
Bro. My fault for being like unorganized with that run late, you know?
No, y'all are
We were
good.
just, bro, I was just getting back from the gym. I was like, oh, damn. Hot as hell. I got no suit right now. Shit.
Oh yeah, you guys
That's
can.
It's no big deal. We always got next time too.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys want the journal, you got to go to the Discord section. If, by the way, if you're not in our free Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join the free Discord here. And if you come into this section and you go to the announcements, then what you'll find here is the spreadsheet. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that link in the announcements section here. After scrolling up, you're going to go to File. You're going to go to Make a Copy. And then that's all yours now. Simple. You could track all your trades in there. Alrighty, we got 25 seconds. Oh, 25 seconds here, chat. Where is all my... All right. GJ is looking like a no-go. No-go on GJ. Consolidation. So I feel bad for those who are in the sells down there. But gold did close below. So we do have a bottom wick. Let's wait for a top wick here, and then we're going to probably have sell stops on a break of the lows. So we got our entry point. Now we need a top wick. I'm expecting a pretty steep top wick. By the open of this candle, it kind of looks like we could have a seller replay here on the next 30 minutes. But let's wait. Let's wait. Nothing to do just yet. I lost my entire account. Oh, yeah, I've been there.
How'd that happen? I was reading that.
How'd it happen? How long do you stream? Like 2K views is awesome. Oh, thank you. Is that where we're at now here? Yeah. We stream about 4 hours a day. Yeah, we stream for a while. If it drives, it drives. Oh, yeah. You all know we need a top wick here, right? You guys aren't going to get any FOMO or nothing out of that.
Okay, this is where you build the winning habits, right? You notice your playbook setup. Now you need to build yourself upon waiting for your entry, right? Build the winning habit. ID. Chad, these are the situations where you gotta work out that muscle, right? In these type of situations during the sessions, live price action.
Yeah.
That's where you gotta build these habits.
If you're taking sells on that little push, good luck, man. Good luck. I'm rooting for you, but I'm really expecting a top wick here. And guess what? Now we'll have an entry on the break of the 4-hour lows, 30-minute lows, 1-hour lows, and it'll be good to go. But we need a top wick. We need it. I know some people entered your sells here. Just be aware we may create a top wick here. This is a brand new 4-hour candle we're talking about. Discord link expired. Yeah, I forgot to put the new one in. If you just hit a exclamation point Discord, you'll be able to have the link there. There you go. Thank you, Shad. There's the link. For those of you that want to get in the Discord, the link is there. Nightbot. Thank you, Nightbot. Thank you, Shad. Yep. Hey, chat, if this thing drives, I can care less. If this thing's going to run right here, right now, we'll let it run. I don't care if this thing comes if this thing's on my my desk. Not my move here. We need a top wick on this candle.
We're thinking long term here. Right?
Yes, sir. Bring the little guy, he brings the top wick. There go the lows right there, too. Yeah, how did US 30 close? We did close bullish here. Let's take a look. Oh, yo, we're clean here. We are clean. Let me take a look at the 1 hour here. Wow. Damn. 1 hour. Got nothing.
Hella back.
Oh yeah, we're clean. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. 4 hours been on quite a run here. Quite a run. Oh man. Oh, we broke 1 hour lows here. Yeah, nothing for us yet on the Dow. Or gold.
Oh wow.
Bro, it's already moved 80 pips. You are forcing to move it more. Market doesn't owe you something? Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Okay.
You ever looked at GU or EU? Yeah, I used to trade those pairs. Thanks for checking on US 30. I wasn't that confident. Yeah, if those 1 hour lows and stuff are breaking, yeah, not gonna mess with that yet. Okay. Thoughts about the NASDAQ? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. All right, let's see what we got going on. So NASDAQ here, we got weekly time frame. Oh, weekly time frame broke the lows here. So one thing I noticed here is that we did not close above that resistance there to the left, right? You have a lot of resistance, support. We did not close above it. We are trying to close above it. But we haven't yet. We've already broken the weekly lows here as well. Let's see what we got going on the daily. Daily, we broke the highs here. We should continue on up here today now. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4-hour candle did close very nicely above this level. So you're pretty much now playing in this range from 15710 to really 15886. The only minor level that you have here is going to be that resistance right there. So you can either, let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour actually. Yeah, I would probably just take my buys above here. Yeah, buys above there, sells below here, and yeah, because if you take your buys now, you run into this resistance right here. Very strong resistance too. And then if you take your buys above that, then you run into that one. So above here is pretty clean. So I would just wait for buys above there at this point. Look at price. Either that or wait for price to come down and create a support for you. Something like this, right? Come down, let candles close, and then come create a support. Then you could take buys from that support there. So 1 or 2 options. I would wait for a closure above or wait for support to be formed. How do you know that's been formed? Well, you'll have a candle close bullish, and then the next candle will be your trading candle to come on up. Eat. Nice call on gold, Nick. Oh, thank you. Yeah, my Forex phone's chilling. Unlimited time on challenges now. Here comes our top wick here on gold. How come my trading view 4-hour candle is, yeah, you're probably using a broker who has different liquidity. Yeah, I know Dominion markets like that too. It's like, yo, word to all the brokers, like, just line your joint up with TradingView. Like,
Right.
What's up with that? I know we got some brokers watching the stream here today. Some owners of some brokers, some owners of some prop firms. We see you out there. Shout out to you guys. We see some streamers. We got some streamers watching the stream today.
The
Thank y'all
reason
for pulling
they
up.
can't is because they have to be regulated in the United
Oh,
States.
that's what it is. Yup.
Yeah, so that's why it's only like
That's true.
yeah, I forgot about that.
Makes sense.
Forex.com, yeah.
W brokers. Shout out to Waja. Waja. Pakistan. I used to love that, man. Wake up in the morning, go to Raja's IG story, and you just see this man screaming in the car.
Yeah.
Pakistan!
Good morning,
Pakistan! Hey, shout out to Pakistan in the building. I used to have me rolling, man, early in the morning. I'd be laughing. Ha, ha, ha,
Yeah, I
ha,
gotta
ha.
see if I can't find it. Just click it.
Greatest
Raja
place on
Banks.
earth.
And then it's like every other day, it's like some dude driving down the wrong side of the road straight at him. He's like, "What are you doing, man?"
Yeah, hey, you guys be confused in America when like there's some construction going on. You gotta see the way these guys drive in freaking Pakistan. Man. Holy.
For real. There's like no lights, no lines in the road.
Look at, we got Pakistan in the building.
That's where we out to soon.
Who?
Me and my shawty. My shawty.
Spot on impression. Where? Where? How long after learning and losing money did you start earning money? About 2.5 years. Pakistan is
That was a
filled with
lovely process, bro.
lots of lovely people. Lovely people. Yeah, it was a
Oh, yeah.
lovely process.
Nick,
Who
how'd
are
you do on the account? Blown. What?
Yeah, Raja's psychology's on another level. The man didn't even budge. Man had hundreds of comments coming in from us and didn't even budge on it. That was impressive. Hey, Nick, how'd the start of the account go? Bro, don't even ask me. Blew it up.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yep. And I'd be like, what happened? Took a loss, chasing trades, right? Pretty
Yeah.
much the main reasons.
And trying to have like 80 pip lot sizes with like 4 pip stops on a 2-minute time frame.
Yeah.
Hey, Nick, missed the first part of the stream. Any trades taken to? Yeah, we took one. We took a buy on gold earlier. Yeah, gold buy right here. Closed right up here.
Yo, chat, remember, everyone's process is up to the own individual who is in the process, right? You can't compare yourself. You can't compare your process to like Nick's process or my process, right? Because we're different individuals. So you can learn it way quicker than Nick did in 2.5 years, right? You can learn in like 6 months, 3 months, right? It's just how quick do you want to learn it? How quick do you want to listen to the principles, right? How quick do you want to follow the known principles for this certain desire, right? It's really up to you, right? However quick you want to do what the professional traders do, that's how quicker you will become a professional trader. But you can't compare yourself to others, right? Can't compare your process to someone else's. You guys are two different beings.
Yeah, I'll be honest. I'm not sure you guys want my process. I don't think you guys want to go through the process. So don't always, say, man, I wish I was there, because you don't know what it took for me to get here, right? And everyone, like John said, everyone's story is going to be a bit different, but just run your own race, gang. My process was a very tough, very challenging process. So
chat, so don't worry about that, right? Just know that, all right, this is what I got to do. Let me do it. The sooner you do that, the quicker things will come to you naturally.
GJ Blade or Juice or, oh my god, I'm confused. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Oh, 22 likes here for
topic?
1K. Come on. Can we get 1K likes? We're going to need that by 9:30 anyway if you guys want to take a position. Otherwise, it's just going to be me and the Zoomers and the Signals channel going to eat. pull a Raja. I'm ending the stream. Oh, nice, Joe. Yeah, good stuff, man. Yep. Once you get to that break-even point, sometimes you'll spend like a month or 2 or 3 in that break-even point. That's how you know there's light at the end of the tunnel. Once you get to that break-even point, there's light at the end of the tunnel, and now it's just about, staying steady and you're right on top of profitability at that point. Evan. Get the Lambo. Raja Casino. Suggest a prop firm, my Forex funds. We got motion. Yeah, we got 9:30 coming in here, gang. So sit tight, relax. We got one more 15-minute candle, and we should be good to go. So far, we got no top wicks, though. So not too impressed by what price is doing here. US 30 broke the lows here and now coming back up. We'll keep an eye on US 30 here for NYSE open too. Hey Nick, how is it that the stream doesn't already have 1K likes by 7 a.m.? Word, that's what I'm saying. For real. How does it not have 1K likes with 800 people on it? I can't see the link to the link to the spreadsheet. Oh, you'll find it. You just got to go up to the announcement section. Go up there, scroll up, you'll find it. Relax and take notes. It's a vibe.
Dude, what are the odds? Powell has 3 kids. Two are a girl, Susie and Lucy. And he has 1 son and his name is Sam.
Hey,
That's crazy.
Sam.
That's crazy.
You guys thought we were playing. Would you agree that most traders are already profitable, but they just lack good psychology? I would agree to some extent on that, yeah. I was actually talking to somebody about that yesterday, and I told him, man, you know how to trade. You've got it. There's nothing else you really need to learn about technicals. Now it's just building up that mental framework to handle these things, right? To get acquainted with the lifestyle of being a trader and the psychology and the mindset of how all this works, because we're kind of used to coming in with a different mentality. So yeah, I think most traders, they know price action, right? They know how to trade. They just still deal with fear. They still deal with greed, FOMO, which is fear, right? And they really they can't stick to the plan 100% of the time. Very difficult task to stick to your plan 100% of the time. But those that do stick to the plan 100% of the time, those are the winning traders that you hear about, right? Those are the names that you know of. But very difficult task for most people to do, and that's why you see the numbers, right? 92% of people fail or something like that. So yeah, can you do it? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Yep.
80% mental, 20% technical, right? It's the winning method plus the mental skills that equals the long-term success. Without the mental skills, you're screwed, right? You're gonna be screwed. That's why we hop on here every day and preach about patience and discipline, right? We know what we're looking for, and now we just need to build and work out our patience and discipline for that to align to us, right?
Yep. Yeah, a lot of people over leverage, they over trade. You know, these are all based off of emotion, right? They're all based off of emotion. It's over trading, over leveraging, all that.
And especially in this service where we're trading money, right? You're likely to have emotions because it's your money. So that's more of a confirmation, more of a reason to have correct mental skills.
Yep. Yep. How to stick to a plan. Yeah, it's almost like, how do I go to the gym every day, right? That's on you. You know, you just got to be disciplined to do these things, right? Some people just don't have it in them, which is okay, right? So you got to either drive it in and do the work, or you're going to get smoked and you're going to find yourself looking for a job because you're out of money, because you burned it all in the markets, because you couldn't be disciplined. So when I looked in my kids' eyes and my wife's eyes, and I had promises that I made to them, that forced me to become disciplined at another level. So that's why we always talk about the why factor and what's really going to get you going, right? What's really going to keep you disciplined? it's most likely not going to be money. And a lot of you guys, you know, you may think 50,000 is a lot of money or 40,000 is a lot of money, and you know, so did I at one point, right? But it's really not, you know. And when you get it, nothing, you know, things change. Yes, right? Things do change, but in the grand scheme of things, nothing really changes. You could buy better things. You could have more time, yes, but not a whole lot is going to change in your lifestyle in the day to day, right? Your wife's still going to ask you to wash the dishes here and there, change some diapers, right? Run to the store for her. Like, you're not going to go out and buy a brand new house right away. And if you do, that would just be stupid. You're not going to go buy new cars right away, right? You're just going to live a regular lifestyle. But you guys are thinking, hey, when I get this, then I'll be disciplined. Or when I make 50,000 a month, man, that's going to make me successful. And it's just not, it's just fairy tale stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we get the 50K months and you go, all right, well, I'm still me. Nothing's changed. Like as if everything was going to change, right? I remember when I used to hope to make 10K a month or whatever and think, man, if I just made 10K a month, oh man, everything would be incredible. But it was incredible, but nothing really like changed, right? And then it was 20K and, it's the same stuff.
No, literally, like Nick said, nothing's gonna change. It's still gonna be the everyday life, right? Like, yeah, you're gonna be able to do more, whatever, but outside of that, everything else doesn't change.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh yeah, shout out to Tandy. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Yeah, but that's why we always preach the why, man. You got to know why you're doing this. Like I said, that's what keeps me disciplined. How do you go to the gym every day? Well, you got to have a reason. Sometimes when your health is at risk, right? Why do you think people, when their health is at severe risk, they just start making changes that they would normally not do? Because there's a lot on the line now. So y'all need to figure out, what is it that's going to get you to change? What is it that's on the line? For me, it was my freedom. It's my wife's freedom. It's my kids' freedom. And the opportunities and the life I want to provide for them. That's what gets me to be disciplined on a daily basis. You have to, figure that out for yourself on what it is that captivates you. Walls in the building. Shut up. Well, there's nobody tagged, so I'm assuming you're talking to me. And you shut up. Giuseppe Guerrillo. Come on, man. Leave the stream. You must leave now. All right. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. We got 4 minutes until a closure. Same thing here with pound yen. We do have the NYSE coming up. So let's see what happens here. There is a wick to fill down here. Man down, man down. KV in the building. $30. No, we didn't. You guys missed 30.
So sorry, one to each.
And 31. You live in the States? Yeah. I live in the States, mate. When will you take a vacation? Every day's a vacation, man. Every day. But I am taking a vacation here in August, but it won't affect the stream. Huh? Who?
Okay. Who the hell?
Yo,
What in the world?
What is that?
Can I have a Discord invite link? Yeah, just hit !Discord. Can you get me the green card? Does my Forex funds work in Australia? I'm not too sure. Not too sure. How does income work with taxes in the States? What? What? Who? What? Taxes. Doom, 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 doom. Taxes.
Taxes.
What are those?
Think we pay taxes?
This is America. All right, 2 minutes for a 30-minute closure here. Yeah, if we get a close below here, we're most likely going to fill that wick. When are wicks filled? During times of volume. When are turns of volume? During NYSE open. When is the NYSE open? In 1 minute and 52 seconds. So we should be good to go. We don't pay no tax. We don't pay no taxes. Time to eat trading? I don't know, man. Never heard of that. They got a cool name though. How do I make a spreadsheet? Mine, go to file, make a copy, and then that's you. That's your copy now. You expecting to go long on gold? No, not right now. You just... All right, gang. We are going to get a closure, belosure, and most likely have a NYSE position here. Going to be using current candle stops. They may be pretty tight. I'm not expecting a super steep top wick. So let's see what we get here. Oh. Oh, gotta close below though. All right, now we need a top wick. If we can get that top wick, we're gonna have entries on the break of the lows.
What's your TP that you're looking at?
What's a TP?
What's a TP?
1952. Yeah, we're gonna aim to fill this wick here. Remember, wicks are filled during times of volume. So if we get a top wick, it may not be a steep one, but if we get any little bit of a top wick, then I'm gonna have an entry here. Which we should get it, just... Alright, there it is. Let me go to the 30-minute here. Wait, did we get it?
Hey, yo, these spreads.
Hold on, I'm not taking this just
I don't think I
yet.
got one.
Ooh, ooh. Yeah, this thing might be a goner here now. Might be a goner. Cole's exhausted.
Go back.
Did we get a top wick? I mean, I think we got like a little top wick.
I didn't get anything on my terminal.
Really?
Yeah.
That's that little one.
Yeah, I want in here. Trust me, chat, but
Damn.
She gone.
she might be gone on us.
She probably is gone.
Yeah. Now we just wait and see if it closes below.
Do 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 do. Yeah, you're right. Didn't close below on MT on barely.
Oh no, I'm saying for this candle we're on right now.
Oh yeah. Yep. Gone. Gold's exhausted though.
Yeah, that last one definitely closed below.
Yeah.
I legit had 0 top wick on that though, so
Yeah, it was clean.
Yeah, like it drove down initially, and it like just popped just for a little bit for me. Flipped to bullish for like a
Made it in.
I don't know, it's not too crazy of a top wick. I really like when it like retests that like 1956.78 where Nick has it drawn up.
Yeah.
Like when the top wick retests that and then it flips and comes down like
Yeah, it kind of flipped up
like that nearest level.
and then came down.
right.
So
Yeah.
let's take a look at pound yen here. Oh.
I just don't see it on my terminal.
Oh wow, US 30 had a closure below here too. Do 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 do. Look at that. Tapped. Filled that wick real quick. Y'all seen that?
Seen that.
Right on the money.
On the money.
That was a good call. I didn't even notice that until the last second when you said that. That wick.
Yeah.
Well, on to the next.
Do, 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 do. Yup. Clean move though. But yeah, we expected that push, and that's the push gold gave us. So that's a W on analysis, but we needed a little bit of a top wick there. Yeah, GJ wasn't bad either here. Everything happened so quick here. It's only been about 4 minutes.
130 for you. Did you get a top wig, Nick, on your terminal, or not? Like even like a little one?
Not really.
I didn't get any.
Little smidgy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like all I got on mine. Like just enough so that I could see it without like zooming in.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh yeah, you guys should have been taking if you guys did enter that trade, I would have been taking profits right there. Bro, gold was oversold though.
Yeah, and it's no big deal we didn't get that either. Next time that you guys see that, you should have extra confidence to execute. Right.
Yeah.
There's benefits to sitting them out.
Yep.
You know, we always say, before you enter a trade like that you aren't sure about, you know, would you rather be in it wishing you were out of it, or would you rather be out of it wishing you were in it and just take what you can learn out of the trade, right? You gotta always ask yourself that, you know, when you're not sure to take a trade or not.
Yeah, that's such a gem.
Monthly going down now. Back downtown. Interesting.
You know what I was actually looking at over the weekend is if you go to the 1 year chart, it's like doing like a wick fill down.
Oh, no way.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you go to the time frames and you go to the 12-month chart. And oh yeah, so like the previous month, or previous year, like it had just drove up. Obviously, like you could see it on the lower time frames, like the monthly and that. But it like still respected the highs, has like a massive top wick, and now it's flipping and driving down and filling them.
Mm.
It's just funny, and, you know, price action works on
Yeah.
every time frame.
No, that
Yep.
is funny.
Oh, there's 1952 smoked. There it is. We called that out. Look at this thing running.
Still weird though with the 4 hour. Just driving.
Yeah, 4 hour just driving too with no top wick. A lot of volume here. I told you to sell Euro USD. Just made 73,000. Goldie. Weekly breaking the lows.
Oh,
Oh man, just about. Yeah, man, we talked about all this too throughout the week. The two scenarios, and now we're starting to see them play out. Money. Money.
Still got clean ranges though, so
Oh yeah. Volume is back. Yeah, beautiful 1 hour candle here too. If the 1 hour can pull back, we can look to get a wick fill here. Sheesh, we haven't had a 9:30 banger here in a little bit. Let's take a look.
She went today.
9:30, man. Not since yeah, that was a slow move too. Yeah, not since the 26th here of June.
The dude that said he sold on the news when he heard me say that I think it's gonna go down, he's probably doing backflips.
that's crazy.
Hey, Big Folk Red, W. Past phase 1, nice. Great job,
Hey.
man. Holy later. Oh yeah, we're coming downtown. Not only are we gonna fill that wick, but we're filling this one now too. Yeah, if we can get this candle to pull back off the 1 hour time frame, that is gonna be a beautiful wick fill here. Holy. Holy. Look at this thing. Sheesh. The volume is back, ladies and gentlemen.
Nothing to do now. Besides wait for that closure.
We get rid of all this. Wow.
Might have to call JP. Tell him let this next 15 set up like a little celery.
Yeah, man. This may be very,
Yeah,
very
true.
clean
Yeah.
for us. This is the cleanest trading range for sells of the
Yeah.
day right here. So if we can get a closure below here, this is going to be perfect. Breaking weekly lows, so you can expect to see a strong push down.
Oh yeah.
Yup, this becomes our new range, and this is the cleanest range all week that we've ran into. So just wait on it. Blader.
Yeah, I'm about to say it. I'm just
I'll be right
looking at
back.
that thing, bro. Blade.
Later. Still smelling it. Man down, man down. We got the leader. Hey. Hey, we chilling, chat, right? Our next confirmations from the candles, the next time the charts will give us an answer, will be at 10 o'clock, right? Gotta wait on it.
Just wait on it. Yeah, what do you want to enter now? You want to enter at 9:45 when the ECB press conference starts as well, too? Got some,
Yeah, you
some more
risky.
red folder news. Just wait on it. I don't think
The
there
risky
is
type.
anything at Nope, nothing at 10. Oh, wait, ECB press conference. Never mind. That was an hour ago. Just wait for that 1 hour candle closure, right? Because then you got that 1 hour candle closing below. That support to the left, and then boom, now the next one can do the driving.
Sir.
Because it's not like this 15 is gonna close below, and then the next one's just gonna complete the whole move through the range, right? That's never gonna happen. Just wait on it.
Wait on.
Hourly closing soon, gonna be beautiful, yes sir, disturbed. Yeah, ECB's over, that's my fault. Yeah, I said that.
Sure, all we gotta do is wait 15 more minutes, right? Trading is really 95% wait and 5% actually trading, right? You don't want to be doing it the opposite way. The fact that we're waiting majority of the time just shows us that we are professional traders, right? Because professional traders are patient. And we understand that we have to be patient as well. So we know that we have to wait 95% of the time.
All right, yeah. Everything they said. Yep. Yeah, this becomes our new range here. So this is very clean traffic. What a move. What a move. FOMC happened, and then there we go. All right. All righty. Goal is absolutely
Re-entered
wrecked. What'd you say, Sam?
Re-entered my buy with a new account. Oh, what happened to the other one?
Sheesh.
I hope. I really hope that you're not saying that you just blew your account holding a buy.
that whole time on gold, and then you're gonna get back into another buy after you load up another account. I really hope.
Blew that one, but loaded another one up real quick. The power of technology.
You should call it a day.
Yeah, 15-minute celery play, maybe 2. Yeah, we're clean here, gang. Clean. Funded account is one hell of a drug. $150 move, got none of it. Funny, feels like a loss. Yeah, that's how I used to feel too, but not anymore. Not anymore. I really wanted in on that 930 push here, but I didn't want in more than I wanted to respect my system. Right? I know that I can make money anytime, but you got to respect the strategy.
You just didn't get that entry, chat. You know, that was the move we anticipated. Just no entry.
Yeah.
And like Nick says, right, if we're gonna break our habit once, we're just gonna, if we're gonna break our rules once, we're just gonna create a bad habit for ourselves, and that's gonna lead us to breaking that rule over and over again. Or Yep, and those are the type of situations right here in these sessions. The one you just saw at 9:30, those types of situations where you gotta build and work out that discipline muscle like you saw us do.
Nice discipline, Nick. I love that. Yeah, you got to be disciplined, man. Got to be disciplined trader. A disciplined trader is a winning trader. Remember that. Imagine if we would have entered that and took a loss, right? I would have had to look my kids in the face and say, I broke the rules on you today, kids. We can't eat tonight now. Sorry, I know you're hungry, but no food today. Simple pump and dump. Pump and dump. What about US 30? Oh, yeah. US 30 struggling here. Struggling a bit. Yeah, let's take a look here. Let's redraw this up. So 4 hour did close bullish. We understand that. Yeah, I think we need to wait for the 1 hour here. I think that's the deal here.
Sam, can you hear my mic?
Now we can.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Mic sounds good. Oh man. At what age did I get married? At 28, 29? I think 29. Are we fasting? Yes, of course.
Fasting from trades.
Fasting all day today. Well, not all day, but the majority of the day. I'm at a massive loss because of a buy. Should I exit or now or wait? Oh man. Me no speak English. Me no speak English. Yeah, all that should have been planned out before you even entered the trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to plan these things out really, really early before you ever enter a trade. And then you won't have to question that. Because if you don't have that planned out during your trade, well, guess what? Now during your trade, you're going to get extremely emotional because you're going to be basing decisions off of emotions at that point. Worst thing to break your rule on a win a trade. Yep, you're right, Manny.
Sir, good loss over bad win any day of the year.
When you break your rules, it's time to not eat tonight. I may or may not have to ask my wife sometimes. Yeah, don't ask me that in front of my wife, please. Nah, I'm just kidding. No, Nightbot. Nick is 50. Yeah, I'm actually 196 years old, but I have a secret that keeps me young. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Winners never quit. What age did I start trading? 29. 29. Yeah, 2019. I'm 33 years young right now. Someone asked Nick when he got married. Oh, yeah. At 100K subs, I'm going to have my wife host a stream one day. How about that? She knows everything that I know.
Awesome.
We are one. We are one.
Channel be quaking.
You're either going to blow your entire account or triple that thing.
Yeah.
How much do you have left on the challenge account? I am right above break even. We took a few losses there in the beginning of the account, so we got hit with those and then came back. She might get more win. Yeah, imagine she has a better record. Raja, what?
Almost said he's too old.
Oh. One day Maverick will host the stream. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay. I mean, price action's pretty easy. I mean, when he gets a couple more years, I'll probably be able to teach him.
You should be able to master it by like 4 or 5, right?
Yeah, I would say 5 maybe. The earlier the better because they don't. Everything is very simple at that point, right? To understand.
He was gonna move out of the crib at like 10.
You should have a copy trader and fund your wife's account. I do that for my mother. Oh, damn. Good. Yeah, that's smart.
Blozier.
How many days left on that account? I think next week. I'm not too sure. I think like I got a full week after this week. Yeah, I don't even know.
Don't need to worry about that.
Oh yeah, I forgot because everybody be thinking like, everybody be counting the days. I don't even know. I generally don't even know. Next week sometime. I know it's next week. Quick. But gold's oversold, man. Thing's exhausted. It's bouncing off my RSI. No way. I have a copy trader for all 6 of my brothers. Hey, my brothers should do that for me. That'd be really nice. That'd be such a nice thing to do for your older brother, John, Joe.
Damn, I done stuff already.
John co-hosted. Yeah, my my 400K, I believe. Yeah, I think it still has a time limit. Do you get an extension? Yeah. Your biggest win, 10K. Oh, 9,800. What's the time to eat? The name of the brand, the name of the business. What am I using for a copy trader? The social trader, it's called. I can see a channel as well. Oh, pending home sales. Yep. FOMC news, too strong. Are you still selling gold? Possibly. Having a copy trader is good until it's not. All right, we'll wait for that, I guess. Social trader tools going up. Algro day on gold. Yes, that's what it's looking like. Are you a millionaire right now? I was born a millionaire. Bouncing off RSI. Nice. Are you guys going to short gold? Possibly. GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ pushing down. Very nice. Got 2 minutes left for this candle to close, and it's looking very good. Very, very good. Nick, you'll get an unlimited reset if you're up now. The Funded Trader changed their rules. Yeah, I heard about that. The Funded Trader has unlimited. Yeah, I'm just going to go for, just going to trade. And, sometimes we put ourselves in a box, but should be able to get to 8% by next week. You can hold, let me keep it short all the way down, my brothers. Yep, forget. Bring back Cheryl's color? What happened there? What happened, Cheryl? Gold or DJ? Ah, that's the question. That is the question. What's your advice for young people? Never grow up. Bring back Cheryl's color. What happened? You risk 2% per trade. I risk 10 lots. So whatever the stop loss is, that's how much I usually risk. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here. Pound yen's looking really, really good. Let's see what happens. Got to close below, and gold kind of pushing down here. So if we can get a pullback, that'd be awesome. Pull back, gold, pull back. Come on, pull back for us. Do we have the 1 minute time frame here? No, we don't. 5 minute got no top wick. That's good. Yeah, if we can come back up, retest these highs here. So basically close like right here, and then come up to make a top wick on the new candle, and then reflip. That's gonna be money. Money. How old are you? I'm not old. I'm young. Rephrase the question. Ask me how young I am. Oh, no closure. All right, GJ's canceled. Gold, we need a top wick. If we can get a top wick on gold, maybe interested here. Yeah, we got about 27 pips and still got 100 to go in this range. So, yeah. All right, chat. I'm going to have sell stops here on the break of these lows. Sell stops on the break of the lows here. Stops are going to be above the previous, the current candle high. And entry is going to be on the break of the low. Boom. target is going to be, so stops are going to be like 1948, you know, above this current candle high. And then we're going to go break even around 1942, 400 there. So that'll be about 22 pips in profit. And yeah, we should be good to go. The reason for the break even is because on the 15-minute time frame, we have a little bit of rejection here. So
What's the TP, Nick?
TP is going to be 1934. Yeah.
Seeing like 3 pip spreads.
Sell stops. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sell stops on the break of the lows here. Do. Alrighty, can we get activated? Did I lower my lots? Yeah, I lowered it to 8 lot. Yep. What happened to the fixed 10 lot? It's now a fixed 8 lot because stops are how many pips? Stops are 35 pips. So I want to go a little bit lower on my lots. Broker do I use? Traders Global. All right. So I've been activated here, chat. Got into some sells. Entry is on the break of the lows there. TP is going to be down here at 1936. And we'll look to go break even right around 1942, 400 here. And that's the trade. That is the trade. Activated.
Y'all better not get quiet.
Don't get quiet. It's time. Yeah, we'll see if we can continue down here on gold. We ain't never scared. We ain't never scared. Ha. All right, chat. I am going to close some partials here, and I am actually going to move stops to break even. Oh, what happened here? Wait. What just happened? Hold on. I think I might have deleted my position here. Crap. Yeah, move stops to break even here, gang. We have officially broken that low. We should not come back up at this point. Yeah, I don't have a runner though. I don't know what happened here. I meant to hit stop at entry. I think I hit close full by mistake. Yeah, stops at break even. Hey, if you're not at break even, now's your chance to close. If you want to. If you believe in the trade, hold it. But yeah, that was my break even. I wanted to go break even there, especially as we break that wick.
Yeah, because it should break it and continue to drive.
Yeah. Yep.
W.
W.
Why are you jumping out now? Because there's that's what we planned here, right? There's a 15-minute level right here. Right in this wick zone here. So as we're breaking that wick, that's our opportunity to go break even. And then, yeah, because if it breaks the wick, it should continue. No,
Yeah,
no
that's just-
continuation, it gets tough.
That's just price action.
Yeah.
We break the wick, the low of the previous candle, this one should continue to drive.
Yeah. Oh, Joe Stewart's in for the late trade here today. Good stuff.
Hey.
Beautiful. I'm holding. Oh, okay, yeah, if you guys are holding, go ahead, man. This is price should continue down here. I wanted to go break even there just for the obvious fact is if we're breaking that low, we shouldn't really come back up. Yeah, you may start to see if we re-break that low there, should be gone. I'm confident I'm holding. Yeah, good stuff. Yep, we're all headed. We're ahead in this trade. I really expected this to see a strong push once we broke that low there, though.
Yep. W. Yeah, that's it for me though. I
Yeah,
gotta
see
head
it.
out of here. I'm done for today.
Alrighty, bro.
So
All right, Sam.
Enjoy the day.
Yep.
See you later, bro.
W's. Everyone in the chat, W's, 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 and I'll see you all tomorrow.
Later, boys. Later, bro.
Yes. Peace, cat.
Sam's on the move. All unit buyers coming. Yeah, that's another trade there, chat. That was got about more like 13 pips there. Yeah, I closed full. I meant to hit stop at break even, but that is right above close full, and I guess I hit close full by mistake there. What was that? That was a quick trade. Another quick one. Another opportunity to see who's paying attention here. I'm done for today as well. Yeah, same here. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. You going for more trades? Most likely not. Let's take a look at pound yen. I know we closed above. Yeah, closed above there. Update the journal. Yeah, we're gonna update. We'll fill it out here. So that was what, 10 o'clock. Yeah, man, 930 cells were beautiful if we would have had that top wick. I put this down to an 8 lot, but yeah. All right, Perfect. Austin in the chat. What up, Austin? Two W's. Yeah, two W's here today. Beautiful work. You have any videos explaining the playbook? Oh, besides the playbook? No, but I have a few that are recorded. I'm just gonna edit them and then we'll get them out. The playbook is a good amount of knowledge. Yeah. Check that out because that'll build the foundation for you. Thanks, Nick. Oh yeah, you got it, bro. 930's money. Yeah, 930 is typically always the money play. But today we just couldn't get in there at 930, so. This hasn't come up and hit stops though. So everyone, if you're in the trade still, you should be good. You had multiple opportunities to get out at break even too if you wanted to. So at this point it's in your hands. Can you show your MT5? Sure. What would you like to see? Good and good. Yeah, we'll get the song going here. You don't know how to close partials? I would get magic keys. Purchase magic keys and that'll make your life so much easier. Everything is controlled by a push of a button here. So highly recommend it. There's an on-screen version that you can get. It's super cheap. It's like 35 bucks, I believe. Oh wait, somebody said they put a subscription up for Magic. That they did a subscription base now.
You heard that too.
Yeah. Are you at B now? Yeah, it looks like I'm up about like 300 bucks there. So I'll probably do a withdrawal tomorrow. Maybe we can get like a 3% trade here tomorrow or something.
I'm gonna head out of here, boys.
All right, bro. Enjoy your run.
See you, boys.
Peace,
Johnny
Jose.
boy, Unk.
Catch
Chat.
you, bro.
Yeah, later. See you later, man.
Later, brother.
Peace.
Later, Jose. All right, I think that's gonna be the day here, chat. Any final questions or anything like that? Let's see here. Lift your hands. Yeah. It's my favorite kind of revenue. Ain't it great? Ain't it great, TK? Good way to live, man. Thanks for all you're doing. Hey, Kate. What up, Kate? Good afternoon. Love the stream. Buys? Go for it. How would I manage if I was still holding? I would, if this candle... Well, this is our stop up here, right? So let's take a look. The only way you could really manage this at this point is like on the 5 minute. And that 5 did close bullish there. So if we're breaking the highs, then we may start to continue up. There's really, this was very difficult to manage in a losing situation on this trade. But you did close, yeah, you closed bullish. So you have an opportunity to skate out of this trade right now. But don't be mad if it breaks the lows and continues down, right? Because we're bullish, but we're still closing below the range there. So, yeah. But, yeah, that's probably the only way I would manage it. We are bullish. We did close below the range. Let's take a look on the 15 if there's any other levels here. Yeah, I mean, I'd probably still hold it, but you know, you are risking. At the end of the day, your risk is still on the line, right? But being that we close bullish below the range, if this candle starts breaking the lows, you should see that 1936 area get tapped. So, as Wix would say, you're still ahead in the trade. Alan, well, you're not the guy streaming, pal. So I don't think many people are going to listen to you. And I think we all knew that we wanted to sell earlier, but it's about getting the right position, right? We're not just chasing a move here. We're not just chasing volume. We want to be professionals and we want to stick to our setups only. So not sure if you're familiar with our playbook or our setups, but that's how we trade, you know, so we don't deviate. Does Magic Keys work on, I don't know, broken platform? I'm not sure what that means. Is it good to trade after 10 a.m.? Yeah, we take a lot of trades after 10 a.m. Thanks for your insight. Oh yeah, I got you, C4. Yeah, I'm hoping this thing starts breaking the lows there for you if you're still in. If not, you're right at break even. So now you also have that choice. Y'all also have a choice now. But whatever the decision is, make it and make it quick. And now stick to it, right? That's how trading is. You gotta be very quick thinker. Yeah. Yeah, if we break the lows though, should be good. Okay, trolling. Nah, I love you, Alan. I love you, man. But yeah, we stick to our setups, you know. We're not gonna deviate just because there's volume. But if you took that, bro, great job. Beautiful move you caught there. And if that was a part of your plan, W. Right? Some traders have different plans than others. And that's okay, right? Because every strategy is going to work. Every system has its wins and losses, and whatever works best for you, that's what I would recommend. But yeah, we seen the move up top here. That's really where we wanted it from, but wasn't able to get that. Oh, pushing. Now you're back in profit, C4. C4. Come on, I want this to work out here. Everything should be a go. We still never hit, like, came up to stops, though. Nick, you get the perfect exit on that trade? Oh, yeah, I did. Well, not really, because if we continue down, then the perfect exit's going to be down here. There you go. I would probably close partials right there, because if we don't break that wick now, we may push up. So this is right around where I close partials, right? Yeah, right there. But we're re-breaking the low here, so doesn't look bad at all. Just 2% in my funded verification, 2-week time frame. You are good to go. Take your time, H&W Gaming. Just keep coming up, showing up to the charts, taking the same exact positions, right? The same playbook setup positions, and you have plenty of time, my man. Plenty of time. Did we mark that one up? Yeah, we did, right? Yeah. All right, let me fix the record here. So we got 8 wins. What was it again?
What time was? 10.
Yeah.
We get the current.
Yeah, I got that. Everything looks good there, right? Yep, got all that. And then last but not least, 73rd win of the year. 73rd win of the year. Good stuff. Good stuff, everybody. Shiro has color again. Does Shiro have color again? Let's see. Bro, your lesson on the 2-pip buffer to account for spreads just took me to a different level. Appreciate it. Oh, nice. Yeah. Always got to be aware of that. So most people are going to learn the hard way to that one. Yeah, but yeah, if you can understand that now you save yourself from misery for the next 10, 20, 30 years, or however long you plan on trading for. Oh yeah, look at this. Can we push? Can we get the push? Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah, we should come down here now. C4, how you holding up? Shad has color. Why don't I see the color? Oh, Shad has color. Oh, I thought Shiro's color was the one. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it here. US 30 did nothing. GJ closed above. Gold was our only option here. We had a really nice opportunity earlier on gold. We took the buys, and then we really wanted this 930 push here, right? That was the one we wanted, but we couldn't break our rule to get in that, right? You guys heard me say it. So you guys heard me, right? It came out of my mouth. Hey, I really want in here, but we can't do it, right? We can't do it unless we got that top wick. So what do? As professionals, we let it drive, and then we waited for the next pretty good opportunity here, and that was closure below, and that's what we took. Oh, this between me and the chat. All right, Green, I will leave that up to you, sir. Close full at 16 plus pips. Let's go. Good work, C4. Good job, man. Way to make a decision and stick with it. You did it again, man. You're like Neo from the Matrix. I don't want the win if it doesn't meet the plan. Yeah, you don't want to get lucky. That proves nothing. Check GJ. Yeah. GJ. Can you buy at the support? I wouldn't, but you can do it if you'd like. Being that we are you see how bearish we are here on the daily time frame? So I wouldn't want to get caught up in fake outs on buys here. But hey, we are at a major level of support, so that's on you, brother. That's on you, brother. Are you funded? I'm funded, yeah. Yeah, I don't use my own money anymore. It's pointless. Nick, say hi to me, bro. Hey, Bradley. What up, Bradley? Bradley's in the chat. All right, perfect. Hey, gang, that's going to be the day here today. Appreciate you guys coming by. We have one more day this week, Friday. If you guys are still holding this trade, I would probably close partials here and see if the rest can run for the remainder of the day. But W day here. We took 2 trades, 2 winners. We got a lot of good talk in between, a lot of good conversation, a lot of good questions, good answers. So you guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. And it's sad, but our time today has come to a close. But we'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. It's Friday, and we're gonna end the week off strong here, right? We're gonna end the week off very, very strong here. So W's in the chat on the way out, gang. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys crush the rest of your afternoon. Johnny Boy, Uncle Scalp, thanks for coming by as always.
Peace.
And see you tomorrow, chat. Love you guys. Hey, like it up, man. Like the stream and sub to the channel on the way out if you haven't. Love y'all. Sam been gone. Peace.